Improvisation. Improvisation is spontaneous, unplanned, or otherwise free ranging creativity. Certain performances or products of artistic activity are referred to as improvisation when they have produced in a spontaneous, originative way. It means improvisation is the art of creating something on the spot without prior planning or preparation. It's about tapping into your creative in the moment, whether it's in music, theater, dance, or any other form of artistic expression. When something is described as an improvisation, it means it was born out of spontaneity and originality, rather than following a script or predetermined structure. It's like a musical riff, a witty line in a play, or an unexpected dance move that adds a unique flavor to the performance. Philip Alperson and R.J. Collingwood use improvisation to describe creativity in various fields, including art, conversation, science, and ethics. It is similar to improvisation and conversation, science and ethics, and aligns with pragmatic philosophies like John Dewey and Joseph Margolis. However, in music, theater, and dance, improvisation is more commonly used to refer to as specific performance practice. Um, it means that Philip Alperson and R.J. Collingwood both emphasize the concept of improvisation as a form of creative across various fields, such as art, conversation, science, and ethics. In this context, improvisation involves spontaneous, originative responses that can lead to novel insights or solution. It aligns with pragmatic philosophies like those of John Dewey and Joseph Margolis, which is emphasize practical problem solving and experimental learning. Improvisation is a crucial skill for artists often working against musical contexts and traditions. Philosophers argue that improvisations is not a composition, as it is ephemeral and cannot be evaluated by critics. Improvisation can be done by an individual artist or a collective group with solo improvisations by artists. It means improvisation is a crucial skill for artists, especially in music, allowing performers to create spontaneous melodies within established traditions. Unlike compositions, which are meticulously crafted, improvisations offers freedom from rigid structures, fostering spontaneity and personal expression. Philosophers argue that improvisation ephemeral nature defies traditional evaluation as its value lies in immediacy and authenticity. It can be a solo exploration or a collaborative endeavor, showcasing individual style or collective creativity. Overall, improvisation enables artists to innovate and push boundaries in their art forms.
Are the elements of successful improvisation. So first we have the characters or the specific people with recognizable characteristic, motivated or doing for a reason. So in successful improvisation, characters are not just generic personas, but rather specific individuals with distinct traits and motivation. So they should have clear objectives or reason for their actions, driving the sense forward and creating depth in their interaction. So next we have the relationship. So a relationship must exist between the characters in stage. So there must be a relationship between the players and their environment. The connection between the characters is crucial in in improvisation as it provides context for their interactions. So whether it's romantic couple, siblings, or coworkers, the relationship dynamic shape how characters behave and respond to each other, creating a believable and engaging scene. So next is the setting or the environment. So location affects your action and style, interact with settings, props, furniture, and so on. So the setting or environment where the scene takes place is like another character in improvisation. It affects the mood, action, and style of the scene, and in interacting with it, such as using props or reacting to imaginary surroundings, help make the scene more vivid and immersive. Next, we have the event or the conflict and action. So, every improvisation scene needs a central event or situation that drives the action forward. This could be a conflict, a surprise, or an unexpected turn of events that challenges the characters and keeps the scene dynamic and engaging for both performers and audience. Next, we have the event or the conflict and action. So, every improvisation scene needs a central event or situation that drives the action forward. This could be a conflict, a surprise, or an unexpected turn of events that challenges the characters and keeps the scene dynamic and engaging for both performers and audience. Next, we have the event or the conflict and action. So, every improvisation scene needs a central event or situation that drives the action forward. This could be a conflict, a surprise, or an unexpected turn of events that challenges the characters and keeps the scene dynamic and engaging for both performers and audience. So, lastly, we have the dialogue and humor. So, a dialogue should feel natural and arise organically from the characters and the relationships, so rather than being forced or contrived. While humor is often present in improvisation, it is essential not to prioritize jokes over integrity of the scene. Instead, focus on being true to the characters and situation as genuine humor emerge from authentic interactions.
The do's and don'ts of improvisation offer valuable guidelines for performers to navigate the spontaneous and collaborative nature of improvisational art forms. So, first is the know the structure truly. Uh, Rules. Understanding the fundamental principles and conventions of improv provides a framework for creative exploration. Rehearse. While improve is spontaneous, familiarity with techniques, formats, and common scenarios enhances performance. And make connections. Establishing links between ideas, character, or scenes demonstrate quick wit and intelligence, engaging the audience attention. And the second one is don't show off. It's a team effort. Improvisation thrives on cooperation, so resisting the temptation to dominate or overshadow fellow performers fosters a harmonious ensemble. The best way to look good, elevating the performance of others reflects positively on individual improvisers, creating a supportive and cohesive dynamic. Respect choices made by others, acknowledge and building upon the contributions of the others promotes trust and collaboration within the group. And the third one is know your partners. Since where they are going, developing an intuition for your fellow performers intentions allow for seamless transitions and cohesive storytelling. Help out when others are stuck. offering support and encouragement during moments of uncertainty reinforces the ensemble's cohesion and enables the group to overcome challenges collectively. And the fourth one is listen to others people on stage. Yes and accept and build. Embracing the yes and the principle involves accepting and expanding upon the ideas presented by your fellow performers, allowing for organic and collaborative scene development. Be a team player, prioritizing the collective success of the ensemble over individual agendas fosters a supportive and cohesive group dynamic, enhancing the overall quality of the performance. Uh, Respect the choices made by others, recognizing and honoring the creative decisions of your sense partner reinforces mutual trust and collaboration, leading to more fluid and harmonious interactions on stage. And the fifth one is don't let the scene run too long. Get out while you are ahead. Maintaining the momentum and energy of a scene requires knowing when to conclude it on a high note, preventing stagnation and ensuring to each moment remains engaging and impactful. And next is don't deny. There are no bad choices. There are no mistakes. Embracing a mindset of acceptance and openness encourage improvisers to view every choice as an opportunity for creative exploration, fostering a supportive and non-judgmental atmosphere. Make assumptions, don't ask questions. Rather than questioning or rejecting offers made by your scene partner, embracing and building upon your contributions allows smoother and scene progression and richer storytelling. Accept your partner's offers, acknowledging and incorporating the ideas and actions of your fellow performers into the scene demonstrate respect and collaboration, leading to more cohesive and satisfying improvisational experiences. The last one is have fun and don't worry. Commit to the scene and your character 100%, immersing yourself fully in the scene and embodying your character with conviction enhances authenticity and engagement, allowing for more compelling improvisational performances. Stay in the moment, focusing on the present moment. It enables improvisers to react authentically to the unfolding narrative, fostering spontaneity and connection with fellow performers. Take the scene seriously. While improv often involves humor and lightheartedness, treating the scene with sincerity and respect grounds the performance and enables meaningful exploration of themes and relationships. Keep it simple, less is more, avoiding unnecessary complexity or embellishment allows for clearer communication and more impactful storytelling, ensuring that the audience remains engaged and invested in the scene. Show, don't tell. Utilizing gestures, expression, and physicality to convey information and emotion enriches the audience understanding and immersion in the scene, fostering a more dynamic and visually compelling performance. Keep start in the middle. Beginning scene with actions or conflict provides instant engagement and momentum, propelling the narrative forward and capturing the audience interest from the outset. Keep an open mind. Embracing spontaneity and unpredictability allows improvisers to adapt and respond creatively to unexpected developments, leading to more dynamic and memorable performances. So those are the do's and don'ts and improvisations. By following these guidelines, improvisers can enhance their performance, foster a supportive and collaborative environment, and ultimately create memorable and engaging experiences for both themselves and their audience. Forms of improvisation. Short form and long form are the forms of improvisation. Short form includes performance-worthy games or short artistic forms or scenes. And long form, a style of improvisation that takes a suggestion from the audience and waves it onto a stream of consciousness performance. Truth is there are many different formats for long form. Some formats are like mini plays, other formats are like series of consecutive short scene or games. So, short forms is involve structured games or scenes designed for quick, harmonious performance. It challenges improvisers to think on their feet and generate entertaining responses within a specific roles of constraints. Long form is features extended narrative-driven performance that often begin with audience suggestions. It allows for deeper character development and thematic exploration, with formats ranging from many plays to interconnected scenes or games. Long form offers versatility and experimentation in storytelling techniques, catering to diverse preferences within the improvisational community. Contact body improvisation. It involves interpreting five rhythms, including flow, staccato, chows, lyrical, and stillness individually, allowing for a unique sense of freedom and possibilities. This exercise stimulates the right brain, promoting meditation and metaphor. Contact body improvisation is a movement practice that explores the connection between the body, space, and group dynamics through interpreting five rhythms: flow, staccato, chows, lyrical, and stillness. Each rhythm represents a distinct quality of movement and energy, allowing participants to express themselves physically in various ways. Engaging in this practice stimulates the right brain hemisphere, fostering creativity, intuition, and holistic thinking. By embodying with these rhythms, individuals cultivate a deeper connection to their bodies, environment, and fellow participants, fostering freedom, exploration, and possibility in their movement practice. Sound improvisation. Improvisation is defined as an activity done without prior preparation. To improvise is to make up something on the spot. Improvisation in music is the act of creating and playing new music without preparing it in advance. It involves creatively. It means sound improvisation in music is about creating and performing spontaneously without prior planning. It allows musicians to explore new ideas and expression, embracing creativity and unpredictability. This form of improvisation encompasses solo and group performances, where musicians experiment with melody, rhythm, harmony, and timbre. Active listening, interaction with other musicians, and the willingness to take risks are essential elements. Sound improvisation fosters creativity, self-expression, and musical dialogue, offering exhilarating experiences for performances and listeners alike.